Hello everyone, welcome to the Universal Group of Institutions, Bengaluru. Ever wondered how the Attorney General of India is appointed? Let's walk through the process. Nomination. The Prime Minister and the Cabinet Ministers discuss the potential candidates for the position of Attorney General. Selection. The Prime Minister recommends a candidate to the President of India for the appointment as Attorney General. Presidential appointment. The President formally appoints the selected candidate as the Attorney General of India. Oathtaking. The newly appointed Attorney General takes the oath of office before the President or another authorized official. Commencement of Duties. The Attorney General assumes the office and begins their duties, which include providing legal advice to the government and representing it in important cases. And just like that, the Attorney General of India is appointed, ready to serve as the principal legal advisor to the government. Thank you and kindly stay tuned to our website for more updates like this.